in this video, it's going to be all the Diamondbacks we have in our little posse of 3. And these 2 are my friend's bikes, and these is my bike. All 3 of these I've owned, and this one I own, obviously. And we're going to be doing a bike check on all 3 of these bikes. So we're going to start off with the Atros one back there. Jake, show him the specs.
Alright, so as he said, this is his bike. I bought it from him. And I broke the derailleur, not to mention, I did, right here. Folded that, but I got a new one, as you can see. 8-speed, it comes with Diamondback seat, and then I put some levers, and my friend painted the stem cap. And then we got the, as we call them, with the buzz on them. Trail bosses.
Nice.
Yeah.
Got some DB4Ls. Coil shock. Disc brakes.
Disc brakes.
It's pretty mint. I like it a lot. What do you think of it, Jake? Is it pretty nice?
Nice.
Alright, Jonathan, show him the specs.
Alright, this is my release one. Used to be yours, but now it's not. So, it's got a steel frame, RockShox Yari, whatever it is, in the front, air shock. I think it's 130 millimeters, and a RockShox rear shock, also, I think like 130, something like that. I got Vittorio Martello team issue tires, 1-up pedals, WTV seat, aftermarket dropper post, that's nice. SRAM guide, hydraulic brakes, SRAM NX, derailleur, level link design. Whoa, chill out. FSA headset. Carbon front wheel, DT Swiss rear wheel, custom dice caps, and yeah.
1x11.
Yeah, 1x11.
Medical kit under there.
Yeah. ODI grips. Yeah, comfortable. Sticky fingers.
Sticky fingers.
Yeah.
With the specs. Alright, so this is my 2019 Diamondback Release Carbon.
4C.
4C. It's got, I'll start off with the cockpit. It's got ergon grips, Shimano Dior brakes with sticky fingers, FSA headset, Diamondback barn stem, house brand. It's got the Shimano SLX derailleur, so you can shift it this way and this way, so you can shift it as a thumb lever and a trigger shifter, which I really like. It's got Fox 34 in the front, with, like I say, with the Shimano Dior disc brakes, Maxxis Minions, 30 psi in my Minions. I don't care about your opinions. Blanchard carbon wheels. It's got Fox Float DPS in the rear, like I say, a Diamondback Release Carbon frame. Diamondback DB4Ls. Like the little built-in chain protector that Diamondback puts on their bikes, which I really like. Shimano SLX 1x11, which features a clutch, which I really like. Race face cranks, and it's got the level link design, which reduces pedal bob and makes the bike more playful, which I really like because I'm a BMX kid. And then it's got a KS11 tanker dropper post.
Wow.
Really like it.
No.
And then got some custom valve caps on there. Just
Not as cool as mine, but still cool.
There's spice up the bike a little bit, and then yeah, super fun bike. Definitely never thought I'd get a bike this nice in my day, but that's what dreaming and working hard's for, and definitely really fun bike.